Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another update. As per your requirement, you want to take the sheet which we just built and get all the functionality from here to apply on another sheet. So let me tell you the process how you can do it in the simplest. Okay, so this is the main file where we have already set up everything, and I have added these two controls. So here you can select the column for the input column for the price if those are different, and if not, even then still you have to select one. Currently we have the values in column B, and we want to take the column result in column F. So I'm just entering these two, column B and F. And now I'll go to that sheet. This is very important. You have to reach out on this sheet and then run the tax calculation, and you will see the results for these columns here. But if you, in case, if you plan, okay, no, I don't want to get the result on column F, I want to get the results on column H. Now you have selected the column H on output column, and then go to sheet 1 again, and then run the process again, and you will see the results here now. Similarly, you can select column J or whatever the column is available. Let me do it. I think I haven't added the J. So this is how you can add columns. Add another column, J. Let me add a few more. Oops, my bad. I think those will be good enough. So I'll use this. Okay, select column B as a source and column J as an output. Now I'll go back to the sheet 1 and run the process again, and you will see the results now here. Okay, so the column was already formatted as a percentage, so it disrupted the formatting. You can always keep the same formatting. So this is how you can select the input and outputs dynamically. Now I'll show you the process of how you can apply the same coding and the functionality on the other sheet. So the other sheet you shared is this one, CSV new website Electro Direct. So let me give you the simplest way. I'm not giving you the indirect way. There is another way, but I'm showing you this simplest copy paste way. So you have to go to the extension and click on app script on both of the sheets. I'll go to the source and click on app script, and it will open everything. I'll copy everything from here. Okay, Control A, Control C, go to the sheet, this one, which you just opened, and go to the right tab, Control A and Control V and Control S. Save the data and then close. You can close this item. Close this and then go back to the sheet, and at any point, maybe at the end or at the beginning, you can just click on this plus button. This will create a new sheet. Name it as a controls. Make sure the name is exactly the same. No, not skipping the S or not adding or removing any spaces. So controls. Then go back to the main file. Select anywhere. Control A to select everything. Control C. Go back to the sheet where you just added this new tab. Select column A1 and Control V. This will apply everything, whatever was on the control tab. And now just refresh the file. Just refresh the browser. Sorry, my bad. Once you will refresh the browser, you should see the menu. Here it is. Now you are ready to go. Like for example, you can move this tab on the left side. If you want to apply the calculation on this, so let's suppose these are the input numbers, and I want to get the result on column I on this sheet. What I'll do, I'll go back to the control tab. I'll say, okay, the input column is column A. Input column in this sheet is column A, and I want the output on column I. Now I'll go back to that sheet and run this script. Obviously, when I'm running this for the first time on this sheet, this is going to ask me through which account I want to run this code. Like Actually, it will keep the record, okay, who made the changes on this file. So you need to click on this as I showed you in the screenshots as well. And I have to allow it only for one time when I'm doing this in a new sheet. So if you can't see the result, you can just run again, because that run went to the authorization only. So now you got the result on column I again. So let me delete this. So now this is all set up. You have to go back, uh, watch the video from the beginning. I just told you that how you can use these controls of input price columns and output columns, and how to transfer the whole process from the code to with this sheet, with all the inputs, all the dynamic control. Yep, and that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. You can see this video always on the YouTube. I will keep this video so that you can see at any point of time, or anyone can see it. So, yep, please let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.